In this video, I'll be showing you how to alter the amount of credits you have in Dead Space to an unlimited amount. And to do this, you'll be obviously need Dead Space in a program called Cheat Engine. I'm using 6.1 because it's the most up to date, and it can either be 64-bit or 32-bit. Doesn't really matter. Now, first, let's go to Dead Space. Select single player. Then either go load game or continue. Since I only have one save point, I could just select continue, or you can select it like that, obviously. Now we'll be using Cheat Engine 6.1 to alter the values in the game, but I'll explain that later on. Just to show you that this is Dead Space, I'll look around really quick. This is about the 7th chapter and so on and so forth. First, I'm going to click I to go to my inventory and see how many credits I have. I have 17,875. Now, that is the most important number you have to remember, because that's what we're going to use to alter it. Now we're going to click I, or tab to exit, then pause the game. Switch back to your desktop and then run the program Cheat Engine. Now, if this is your first time using Cheat Engine, just follow me. It's very simple. You click on this button right here, and you're just going to tell you to select a process and give you a list right here. We're not going to worry about that. We're going to click on Windows list, and we're going to select the one that says Dead Space 2, and then we're going to click open. Now, remember that value of credits that you have? We're going to type that in where it says actually value. So 17,875 was mine. And then we'll select exact value. Then we'll select 4 bytes. Do not change the value type. You don't need to in this. It's very simple. And click first scan. Since there are 3 things running in the game that have this exact same value as my credits, so I'm going to double click on them to add them to the bank underneath. Under here, you can use it to alter them and just sort them easier. So we're going to change the value, this one, to a 6 at the end. Then we're going to change this one to a 7. If you're going to alter the values like I have to make it easier for you, don't change it to drastic numbers. Remember what the original thing was so we can reset it. Alright? Now let's go back to Dead Space and we'll see what effects it had. My game is completely stable. I'm not having any problems. So now we're going to click I to go to the inventory and see what's changed. You can see they went up, my credits went up by 1. So I'm going to exit and we'll pause the game again. Then I'm going to switch back to desktop or Cheat Engine. Since I know is this one, I'm going to delete this record by right clicking, selecting delete this record, and then for the other one that I did change, I want to change it back just so I feel safer about it. Then right click it, delete this record. Yes. Now double click on the value to change the value. Now I don't know how much money you really want, so I'm just gonna hold 9 and go like that. There actually is a limit to how much money you can have, and it changes. That's the maximum amount of money you can have. So we're gonna minimize that and go back to Dead Space. Right, back to return to the game. Everything's fine. Everything. Now and that's how many credits I have now. And that's all. Cheat Engine 6.1 can be also used on other games to change the amount of nodes in this game if you actually want to, or you can change money in any game you want. And if you have any questions about how to use Cheat Engine, Google's your best friend. Thank you and good luck.